Moving to a higher level in Arabic is not about learning harder words, but it's about how your ideas are truly connected.
Let me show you what I mean.
Expressing contrast in Arabic using connectors. At a basic level, we use لكن or ولكن as well. Both mean but or however. أحب اللغة العربية لكن هي صعبة. I like Arabic language, but it is difficult. أحب اللغة العربية لكن هي صعبة. You can also add a wow prior ولكن. أحب اللغة العربية ولكن تعلمها يحتاج وقتا. I like Arabic, however, learning it takes time. أحب اللغة العربية ولكن تعلمها يحتاج وقتا. At a more progressed level, you can try something like مع ذلك. Nevertheless, اللغة العربية صعبة ومع ذلك هي جميلة. Nevertheless, or despite that, or literally with that being the case, it is still beautiful. So اللغة العربية صعبة ومع ذلك هي جميلة. And also similar meaning على الرغم من ذلك. Despite that. اللغة العربية صعبة على الرغم من ذلك فهي ممتعة وغنية. So Arabic language is difficult. Despite that, it is enjoyable and rich. اللغة العربية صعبة على الرغم من ذلك فهي ممتعة وغنية. We can see how the meaning progresses using different connectors, how your sentence improves and enhances and becomes more eloquent and deeper.